Geosley. Can we have a round of applause?
Thank you, everyone, for being here. I have a quick teaser for all of you. So my talk is going to be on Beyond CodeGen AI, building automation that lasts, right? So, all of the talks you're hearing now is AI, AI, AI. So I just want to have a quick, in terms of, there is a lot of misinformation, buzzwords being floating around. So I want to make you all aware of all the misinformation out there and how we need to be aware of all of these. So if you look at the stats recently by Gartner, around 40% of the projects which are going to use Agentic AI, and you've been hearing about this in the last 2 days, will be canceled by the end of 2027. Now, why is this going to, and why is Gartner predicting this? So these are basically because of the escalating cost. We are not looking at the sustainability of the resources that are consumed. Unclear business value, just putting AI for the sake of it, right? And then inadequate risk controls. We're not looking at the risks that are being there. How is our confidential data being shared? So how to spot all the misinformation in testing and how not to get carried away as testers, we need to start critically thinking about it. So what are the red flags? One is code generation, just using AI for code generation. Now, little we realize is there's a lot of maintenance that comes into place. There are a lot of technical depths if you simply use a code generated by AI. Lack of test design concepts. Now, when you design an automation, it's very important to focus on design. Test design is very important. AI may not be able to do that for you. So this leads to less reusability and high maintenance. Is the AI able to end-to-end scenarios? We've been looking at, and you have been hearing about AI agents, MCP servers, on Playwright doing browser automation. But have you thought, can that AI do API testing? Can that AI do mobile testing? Can it test all the layers, database testing, et cetera? So think on that, right? So there will be definitely a lot of coverage gaps and framework silos that you have to deal with. Other is missing reconciliation, right? How is that AI helping you to troubleshoot? Is it actually adding to your tech debts, or is it clearing an overhead for you? The last is, now can we actually discover what true AI is and how it can help us as testers? So then the question comes, what is real AI? So when you look at or identify real AI for testing, one is it should be autonomous, soup to nuts. Basically, it should do end-to-end automation, 360-degree automation, which is learn, discover, design, generate, reconcile, and execute. Next part is should help you remove programming overheads. It should be very easy to identify. If you're using a code-generated AI, you still need that skill sets that you need to use. So using the concepts of natural language processing, you can reduce that effect. The next is locator-free. We end up using AI. There are locators keep changing. Whenever you have constant releases, your automation will start to fail. So there is no use of using AI when you're not using the concepts of locator-free approach, right? It's going to fail, and you get back to your traditional maintenance hurdles that you normally face. Last is automated modularization. The AI should be able to suggest you design principles. The AI should be able to suggest you the best practices. If the AI is not able to do that, you're going to create an automated mess, and you'll still end up into trouble. Data-driven testing. Data is the soul of automation. Data is the soul for us as testers. So the AI should be able to suggest you in terms of data that it gives. So modularization concepts is something which AI should help you with. So regarding us and how we are solving this problem, ACCELQ is the #1 codeless AI test automation platform recognized by Forrester. We have been in this space for the last 10 years, built on AI, not a company which just spinned up after ChatGPT. So we have been working on this from the last 10 years, and that's why we are a leader. Forrester recognized us for our AI/ML capabilities way back. So if you look at us and comparing to the top 15 tools in the market today, ACCELQ tops the list with a score of 4.29 out of 5 for our capabilities that we bring onto the table. In terms of our capabilities, we are an end-to-end AI-powered codeless platform. So we support web automation, desktop, APIs, spins across Angular, Flutter, React, goes through APIs, Kafka, GraphQL. We support mobile automation, iOS, Android, Flutter, Ionic frameworks. We even support mainframe automations, and we have specializations for enterprise applications like Salesforce, Workday, SAP, Oracle, etc. And then we run across all devices. So we recently launched Autopilot, and I just want to give you a quick preview of what it does. So our mission with ACCELQ Autopilot is basically 360-degree automation. We are touching each and every field of the testing lifecycle. So be it discovery, automatically discovering scenarios based on wireframes, Figma designs, URLs, logs, etc. Automating, helping you automate with natural language processing. Optimizing, our AI kind of suggests you the best practices, guides you in building a sustainable automation framework. While execution, we have self-healing capabilities in the platform, and self-reflection tells you which test cases you need to execute based on priority levels. Analyzing, basically we provide insights into what is the most probable test case that needs to be run with this change. And the last part is with regards to reconciliation. Anything that changes, anything that executes, we automatically self-heal. So showing you a quick preview of that. So this is basically our discover scenarios. So you put in the URL of your application, and then you can feed in Figma designs. You can feed in wireframe scribble diagrams, even an image. It will automatically learn from the application. This is an example of a Salesforce application. So based on that, it will generate the test cases automatically for you. It not just leads that. One thing very important when you look at trust AI is AI cannot do everything. So we have a human-in-loop mechanism where anything that is generated, you have the ability to select whether it fits your context, right? So based on whatever you think is right, you can select the test cases and go ahead and build your automation. So with this discovery of scenarios, we are not just building the test logic or the test scenarios, we're also building the automation behind it. So you don't have to worry about building your test logic, looking for locators, and we automatically help you build the test data for it as well. Okay? The next part is basically the prompt way of writing automation. So customization is very important when it comes to automation, totally relying on AI. AI may not have or cover the corner cases. So we have something like a prompt to an automation generation, where you just put in a prompt, what you want to do. It could be a business test step, test requirement. It will automatically convert it into test logic. So you don't have to worry about the actions that you need to find out, the XPaths, CSS locators, which are always fragile in nature. It will automatically build that logic for you and build those test cases, right? So this is the prompt way of how we are adding customization into the automation that gets generated. You can see here, this is predominantly more in terms of filling the form. So you just put in a prompt. Test data is very important. The AI will not know your context. You have to give the test data, but the business workflow is something AI will automatically decipher out. It will automatically fill the forms. The next is, I'll tell you a quick case study before I end my talk. This is basically, we did a case study with Southwest Airlines. So this is their old legacy application of Southwest Airlines. And we kind of automated it, right? And here, what was our mission was to basically check how effective self-healing is. So traditional self-healing has always been if-else loop, or check if the previous XPath is working as fine, but that is not true self-healing and use of AI, right? With this, what we had done is we automated the legacy application, and we tested the Southwest Airlines on their new website. So this is the new website. We automatically ran the same set of test cases and tried to run this on their, sorry. Yeah, so it's running now. So we ran the same set of test cases on their new website. The UI changed, some of the labels changed. It automatically went ahead and will give you suggestions with regards to, with regards to what has changed, and it will suggest you that, okay, you need to maintain this. So AI will intelligently assist you and tell you that, the depart field has changed. It was previously some other label. Now you need to change it and auto-heal itself, right? So this is how auto-healing should kind of work. With all of these capabilities, we were recently also announced the best AI-based engineering solution of the year for our Autopilot offering. This is already rolled out to our clients. So we got this award just this month. So if you like my demo, we are doing an extended demo, which is on the autopilot stuff and how we are taking the agentic AI progress to the next step. So if you'd like to hear more, drop by at 1:50 p.m. after your lunch. We will be in the Robusta room. And if you want to know more about autopilot, you can always go to our website, ACCELQ.com/autopilot. You will see the list of features. And if you want to give it a try, let us know. So thank you so much. Thanks for your time. And do visit our booth if you want to see a live demo as well. Thank you. Can you share the screen, if possible? Can you share the screen for the Forrester slide they want to? Or you can go to our website, and you'll see it on the homepage. I don't know if they have time. Oh, it's one. This one or the other one? So this was basically on the various testing parameters that were evaluated for the continuous test automation capabilities in the platform. So yeah, you can read this report. It's freely available. Go to our website, download it, and learn more about it. OK, thank you so much for the time.